This is the Lawnmower Go from Manscaped, a slim, lightweight groin and body hair trimmer built for easy control, tight area access, and efficient essential grooming. Inside the box, you'll find the Lawnmower Go, 2 comb attachments, and a USB-C charging cable. Simple, efficient, everything you need to get started. The Lawnmower Go features a slim, sporty, lightweight design built for maneuverability and tight area access. The textured, non-slip chassis helps keep the device comfortable and controlled in your hand. The 25mm skin-safe trimmer blade is engineered specifically for groin grooming. It's optimized for comfort with adjustable guards designed to give you a comfortable shave. Before your first trim, fully charge your Lawnmower Go using the supplied Manscaped USB-C cable. When charging, the LED lighter will blink. The LEDs light up individually, showing charge levels in increments of 33%. A solid light means you're fully charged. A full charge gives you up to 60 minutes of runtime. Out of juice? Plug it in for 5 minutes and get a quick trim out of it. The Lawnmower Go comes with 2 adjustable length setting combs. Use the 3 and 5mm comb for shorter length, and use the 7 and 9mm comb for medium and longer length. For longer growth, start with the taller 7 or 9mm comb. Then finish with a shorter 3 or 5mm comb as needed. To attach a comb, slide it over the front of the trimmer with the notches sliding into the grooves on the sides. Each comb has 2 length settings. Adjust by sliding the comb forward or backward. To remove the comb, make sure the device is powered off, then gently pull the comb off the trimmer. To power on the Lawnmower Go, press the multifunction button once. The same button also controls the LED spotlight and travel lock. While the device is running, press and hold the power button for 2 seconds to turn the LED spotlight on or off. When the device is powered off, press and hold the power button for 3 seconds to turn the travel lock on or off. For the best experience, Manscaped recommends always using the Lawnmower Go with a comb attached. Hold the skin tight and gently glide the trimmer forward, keeping the blade guard and comb flat against the skin. Keep the guard flat and never drag the blade edge on your skin. The slim, lightweight design helps you maneuver around tight areas with control. The Lawnmower Go is waterproof and works wet or dry. Always use the port cover while operating in the shower or rinsing the device. To clean the Lawnmower Go, unplug it and turn the trimmer off. Pull off the comb, then pop off the trimmer blade with your thumb. To remove the trimmer blade, push the top of the blade head with your thumb in the direction of the arrow to snap it out. Rinse the trimmer, comb, and blade head under the faucet until the hair is gone. Carefully shake out excess water, then air dry the comb and blade head completely before reassembling. Never dry the blade head with a towel or tissue. It may damage the trimmer teeth. To replace the blade head, seat the base first, then firmly click the blade end into place with your thumb.